So, hello everyone, back again. So, today we are looking at question number 5, second part, and exercise 8.4, right, of maths, obviously. And we have the question that cos A upon 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A over cos A should be equal to 2 secant A. This is the question. Now you may be frightened or terrified that how would such a big equation turn into this. So firstly, you can simplify this to 1 by cos, and if you want, that's your wish totally. So we will see about the RHS later. First, let's simplify the LHS. So first thing that should come to your mind, that is very important. Instead of learning these questions, you have to memorize the concept instead of that. What everyone calls it, uh, rote learning is not an option in these questions. So let's continue. So cos squared A plus 1 plus, so we are taking the LCM of these both, and you know how to take an LCM. Basically, it's nothing of a big deal. This multiplied, this multiplied, because this does not have 1 plus sine A, and cos A does not have, and 1 plus sine A does not have cos, so multiply with both of them and just make a line. Cos A 1 plus sine A, very simple. It's pretty simple, and some of you might think that we can cancel these. No, because that's plus sign, that is our enemy right now. And we cannot cancel it because of that. So the next step that we can do is not simplify this. Never simplify this, because usually what happens, one of these get cut, and when you like multiply them, and then you get confused that can these be cancelled or not, even if you know that you have multiplied it. So instead of not, should not create confusions for yourself. And I hope this S is, you can know, I make a little bit mistaken handwriting, sorry. Then we can just basically expand this. Cos square A plus 1 plus sine squared A plus 2 sine A. Basically, the A plus B whole square identity, keeping the denominator as cos A 1 plus sine A. This question is pretty easy now, because we see cos squared A and sine squared A, and you should know every time you see sine squared A and cos squared A being added, your mind should only think of one thing, that sine squared A plus cos squared A is equal to 1. 1, so basically that's 1. Then this one is already there, plus 2 sine A. So now I think everyone can just do it on their own now, because it's pretty easy from this point. Sine A. So that's why I told you not to multiply it, because then it confuses you only. Continuing to, I think we can just directly take common, no need to write the whole expression again. Right? I think it's visible to everyone. Why did I do this directly? Basically, that is 2 plus 2 sine A, right? Right? And 2 common is 1 plus sine A, right? So just continuing this, and now it is totally visible that they're getting cancelled. So never multiply them, best advice. Right? Cancelling this, 2 upon cos A. Now we know the LHS is 2 secant A. So either you can convert the RHS or the LHS, whatever is your wish. So we can directly convert this. We know 1 upon cos is, I will write 1 upon cos A is equal to secant A, right? So 2 multiplied by secant A. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, right? Therefore, or basically just write hence proved. Or you can even write therefore we get this. Hence proved is also okay, or just hence also is nice, but I think adding proof to it is also nice. So the question, right? So just write the question again, plus, and I can tell you one thing for sure, these questions are a little bit trickier, and these questions are the simplest ones. The next part is a bit like it's very tricky, so stay tuned for the next video again. So I think that's the whole question done, and thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.